I broke into the hardware store last night and stole a hammer. Yeah.
So, Peter, what's up?
Mr. Police Guy, Cole broke into the store and stole a hammer.
I didn't do anything.
Alright. You're free to go.
Peter? Dad. No!
Cole, why'd you do that?
You told the cops what I did. What do you want?
You want to apply for Circle Justice?
Okay.
Okay.
I can't believe that in a matter of weeks, I was sent to this deserted island with no one. This is a jail. I'm so mad. I need someone or something to kill. A spirit bear. Here dies spirit bear. Oh no! Not my arm! Not my arm!
Oh, Cole. Here's Peter, like you requested.
Hey, Peter. Get away from me. Living with Peter is tougher than I thought. He took my cabin, so now I have to sleep in the tent. So cold. So cold.
Hey, Cole.
Yeah, what?
You want to go to the pond?
Sure, why not?
Can I go along with Cole?
Sure.
Thanks.
Alone?
Yeah.
Sure. See ya.
See you later, Garvey. Hey, Peter. Come on, dude. You've gone there before. It's this way.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Peter, what's up? Uh-oh. No! Don't do this, man. Fight! Fight! I'm not gonna fight you. Fight! Stop punching me! Stop!
We should fight. Don't break the mat.
Yeah. I think I came in at the wrong time. Yeah, sorry to bother you.
Is that the spirit bear?
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
I don't want to fight you anymore.
That's good.
Want to go get a latte?
Once we get off this island.
Okay.
So, did you guys learn your lesson?
Yeah, now we're best friends.
Okay.